Hi, I'm Jane, and this is your Wellness Moment. Most of our tips have been for beginners, but if you're a little bit more advanced, it's time to take it to the next level. Today I have Joe Krugh, physical therapist, to share some tips on how to enhance our performance. Hi, Joe.
Hello.
So what do you have for us today?
I have two exercises for advanced performance, and we have some speed skaters and some jump squats.
Great, let's get started.
The first one that we'll show you is trying to target the hip muscles, the outside hip muscles,
Okay.
which are very important in trying to control the position of your knees and your foot. So those are some common areas that we can have issues as a runner. So we want to make sure that we are strong enough to absorb the forces to protect those areas.
Okay.
The first one we call speed skaters. And the way it's going to work is you're going to be hopping from side to side, landing on a single foot, and hopping off that same foot. So you're going to hop to the right, and then back to the left. Good. Back to the right, back to the left. And then as you get comfortable with that, you can increase your speed.
Does it matter how much ground you cover or just speed?
So you can increase the distance, or you can increase the speed, which will both add more difficulty. Yeah, that looks great. With the jump squats, the goal is to try to target a little more quad muscles and our calf muscles. So again, same areas that will take a lot of load while we're running. So as we get stronger in those muscles, they'll be able to tolerate, faster speed or a longer distance. So you're gonna get your feet, again, shoulder width apart like a squat position. As you go into your squat, you're gonna keep those knees over your feet. And then you're gonna explode up into a jump, and you'll land back into that squat. Good.
Now, does it matter how high you jump here?
No, it doesn't matter how high you jump. And as you get better at them, you can usually jump higher.
Wow, Joe, I feel like this really improved my performance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and come back for more wellness moments. And don't forget to visit stjoeshealth.org/join me for upcoming events and healthy tips.